All right, so we're going to do some stuff from classwork where we're looking at algebra tiles and we're looking at the areas of the algebra tiles. And if I want to find the combined area of all of the tiles here, well, we're just going to add all of these areas together because that's how many total square units we have. Let's see here. Let's go to draw. Let's get this. So I'm just going to start by using my eyes and just go through and say everything that I have. So one way to do this is just to start at one place and say, well, I have an X tile plus an X plus a 1 tile, plus a 1, plus a 1, plus an x squared, plus an x, plus a 5, plus a 1, plus a 1, plus an x, plus an x squared. That's one way to do it. That is the collection of algebra tiles. What you can also do is what we're going to call combining like terms. And if you're here, that's great. That's where I want you. If you're here, this is even better. So we can say that, well, I have how many x squares? Well, I've got 1 x square. I have 2. This is the same thing as saying I have 2 x squares. And I have how many x's? Well, I've got 1x, 2x, 3x's, 4x's, plus 4 x's. Plus how many units? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus another 5, so that would make plus 10. Which of these expressions looks more simple, right? I mean, this one is more simple. So this collection of algebra tiles is either here, or you can write the more simplified version here. And we're going to talk more about that throughout the week. So either one is just fine for now. So what about this one? So this one is meant to get at some mistakes. So if I just wanted to describe what I have here as the area, this has an area of an x square, this right here, plus an x. That is the most simplified way to write it. You can't add these guys together. You cannot add them and say that this is x to the third power, or that it's 2x squares. No. This is 1x and an x square. We'll talk about more why it doesn't make x to the third power and all that stuff later. But that is the expression for the area here. What about this guy now? What about this guy? Well, just use your eyes again. Just tell me what you see. So one way would be to say, well, I have an x plus an x plus another x plus 1. Plus 1. That's the area. That's the area of all of these shapes combined. X square units, this is x square units, this is x square units, that's 1 square unit. So we've got 3x plus 1. We've got the simplified way would be to say that we have 3 times x plus 1. 3 times x plus 1. So either one. This one is correct, and so is this one. Just which one looks more simple to you. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.